What's up, guys? So the next fan on the testing rig is the CEC Georgianne. Well, the last time I made a video on this running, the lighting was terrible. So now I'm doing it on the testing rig. And I got this for Christmas, I think, let me think. Maybe 4 years ago. I got it in 2022. So I'm not going to do the math right now. It's probably pretty easy math. But, yeah. And when I opened it, I loved it because this was a fan I've been wanting for a while. So, let's start it up on low. And it did come with tassel, but it broke. So I'm just using a regular chain now. Medium. It's pretty much silent. And high. Spin down. So yeah, that was my CEC Georgian ceiling fan. Hope you guys enjoyed. Happy New Year. Goodbye.